Hi everyone. This is like something new. Um, this is like something different. I tested this out last night to see if it'll work. It might stop, but I'm not sure. But hopefully it keeps going. Um, this is called Quick Camera actually it's the FaceTime camera that from the App Store on my laptop. And it's working perfectly since I can use the screen recording. Um, Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be voting for the anime awards from Crunchyroll. I wanted to do a video on this, and I got excited since I will be doing it. Oh, and also I'm not going to be doing a live reaction to the awards because one, I have work that day and it starts at 5. So around 5 I'm still at work. So might as well like wait until I get home and to see the recording. And I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get on to the video. As you can see, I just want to discuss some things about this cuz I voted last year. This is the problem. I had a problem with this because this doesn't count as a couple. Well, they don't count as a couple. I'm just hoping the next winners, well, who the winners are for February, are basically well, I don't know. I mean, Isabella for best antagonist. I'm not sure. Let's get to the voting. But this better not happen again. This is a ship, not a like not a couple. All right. Okay. Now we're ready. First category, anime of the year. Let's see. We got Keep Your Hands Off the Izoken. If I pronounce them wrong, I'm sorry. You got Jujutsu Kaisen, The Great Pretender, Dorohiro, Dorohedoro, Aparam, and Beastars. Um, I'm gonna pick Jujutsu Kaisen because it's the most popular anime right now and it's everyone likes it for some reason, especially one character. Confirm. Okay. Next category, best protagonist. I'm not gonna play the videos because I heard you can get copyrighted from it. So best protagonist, Natsume, Katarina. Oh, before we go any further, I just want to say there are some that I didn't see. So there are some I did see and there are some I didn't see. So I'm not sure for this. So yeah, if I didn't see any of these, I'm sorry. And please don't complain to me in the comments saying that I didn't see this and stuff. Let's continue. Best protagonist. I've seen obviously this, and this, and I do not like Haikyuu. I'm sorry for people who like it. So it's just these three. So, hmm, best protagonist. Hmm, I'll pick Yuji because Jujutsu Kaisen. Just checking some. Your pick. Your pick. Best antagonist. Did not see this. Okay. Okay, the others I did see. Um, I wouldn't count Rachel because she didn't do much. All she did was just like push Bam off the platform, and and what else? And Echidna from Raid Zero. I don't see her as a villain. I mean, I know she's manipulative. Well, I don't know, but I wouldn't. I just don't count her as a villain. Now Overhaul, and Aikido, and I don't know about him either because I know he's in Itadori's body, like possessed or something, but maybe there's maybe like something off Naruto's like an exchange of them, being friends and just sharing the body. Something like it. Maybe he'll be good in the end. I don't see him as a villain. Like I wouldn't count on him yet. So and since Jujutsu Kaisen's popular, I'm pretty sure he might win. So um, next we have all right. Let's see. So I'd pick either Aikido or Overhaul. Hmm. Since Overhaul didn't win last time, um, might as well pick Overhaul then. Hmm. All right, best boy came in. I did not came in. Gojo, Kun, Legoshi, Anos, and again, I did not see this or this. I seen the other four. So, all right, let's see. Let's see. Um, I know like a lot of people are going to pick Gojo, so it's either Gojo or Kun or Anos, maybe. I don't know, but it's our Legoshi. Hmm. I pick Legoshi then. Like, I mean, I do like Anos, Kun, and Gojo, but Legoshi is. But I like Legoshi. Like um, I wonder how do I don't know how to pronounce describe it. Um. Uh. Yeah. Best girl. Did not see this. Oh, I plan on seeing this. I didn't finish this series. I planned to, but mm, did not see this. Seen this. Didn't see this. I've seen this. Uh. Hmm. I'll pick Katarina because she was funny in this show, and like everyone was trying to be with her. Even that redhead girl was trying to get with her. Best opening sequence. Hmm. You know, To be honest, I played the videos before I started this, so that way I wouldn't get copyrighted. This opening was, um, to be honest, was the best opening I've heard. Yeah, it's best ending. Mm, Lost in Paradise. This have I have this on my phone too. So both the opening to Jujutsu Kaisen and the ending were good. The first half was good. The second half that just started yesterday, that's just started Friday. I'm not sure. I might give it another another listen. So, oh, and before I ask, I did see BNA and the others I didn't see. Best voice actor performance, Japanese. Hmm. I've seen obviously this, and obviously this. The other two, no. So, hmm. I like Gojo's. I like Gojo because the guy who voices him is very funny in the show. Best voice actor English performance. I mean, best voice actor performance in English. Zeno Robinson as Hawks. Crispin Freeman from Fate and Freeman. Zeusura from Fate Grand Order. Uh, okay, to be honest, I didn't know he was voicing Bam. I liked this. I like Jonas Scott's voice where he says the ghost sheet. Um, I I really like his Zeno's voice in of Hawks in both the movie and in the show when he finally was introduced. Oh, in the video game. Right, best director. To be honest, I don't know anything about directors. Well, well, I do. It's just some. Let's just pick the anime that they directed. So let's see. Didn't see these two. I know I say this a lot, but I'm saying the truth. Uh, Hold on. Best director. Hmm. Hold on. I need to get some water. All right. We're picking Jujutsu Kaisen again because hold on. Oh, okay. Thought I was frozen for a second. Confirm. Best animation. Hmm. Studio Mappa. Studio Mappa was like. Hmm. Yeah, this show had good animation too, but Studio Mappa was like the first time. This is when I saw like the God of High School, right? That was my first time seeing Studio Mappa's work for the first time. The second time is Jujutsu Kaisen. So I'm gonna pick God of High School. And for the people who hate God of High School, well, it's just the anime. All right, the webtoon of God of High School is good too, but I don't care if they skipped a lot. I don't care if they skipped a lot, but it's just just watch it. Just watch it. And I'm hoping it gets a second season. I hope all the other webtoons get a second season. And I'm still waiting on hardcore leveling warrior. And alright, let's continue. Vote. Studio Orange has a good animation for Beastars too, by the way. Right. Best character design. Uh mm, I gotta say Tower of God because the designs on them were good when I was first introduced. Alright, ooh, this one's good. This one's definitely good. Best fight scene. Vote for best fight. Satoru Gojo versus Ryomen Sukuna. Okay, first off, this was not technically a fight. This wasn't a fight. This was just like it only it was the fight lasts for like 30 seconds. I want a fight that can last like under like past 3 minutes. Past 3, 2 or 1 minute. Oh wait, I think it did last 1 minute. But this right here was a short fight. 2 or 3 minutes. I wanted it to last 2 or 3 minutes, alright? Now, Jin Mori versus Jigal. This was my favorite. Um. Oh yeah. That it didn't interest me at all, but it was still a good fight. Now, Deku versus Overhaul was a good fight too. Jin versus Han. This is a fight between friends, and I'm not interested in a fight between two friends. Even like that doesn't excite me. Brawler versus Master. It was good. It was good. All right. I guess my top favorite ones are Deku versus Overhaul and Jin Mori versus Jigal. This is gonna be difficult. But I know people are just gonna pick Jujutsu Kaisen. But please be smart about this, people. Like this fight lasted for like a couple of minutes or seconds. Right. Oh, well, the fight lasted like a couple seconds, so it wouldn't count. I don't. I prefer it not to count as a fight. So anyway, let's man this is Deco versus Overhaul. Okay, yeah, it was either that or this. Right. Best drama. Fruits baskets. Mm, um. No, The Great Pretender, didn't see that. Japan Sinks, didn't see that. Seeing yesterday for me. I was planning on seeing it, but I forgot all about it. This, I forgot all about it. Beastars, I count as the best drama. So, Molly and the Forest Spirit, forgot all about this. I really like Beastars because it's like kind of similar to Zootopia because with all the predators being like, you know, like the herbivores being terrified of the predators and blaming them for stuff. And I don't know if you're getting with it, but anyway, I'm picking Beastars. Pick a best comedy. Okay. Hmm. um. This didn't give me a laugh as much, but it was a good series. You didn't see this, by the way. I plan to sometime this year, maybe. I heard it was very good. Um, My Next Life as a Villainess. Mm, yeah, it's good, and I give it a laugh. Misfit of the. Mm. I mean, there were some points that made me laugh. You know what? No, no, no. We're it's either this or this. I saw this last year, and it was fun. All she wants to do is sleep. So yeah, we'll give it to her. So and hold on, I'm gonna take a picture to see. I'm gonna take a picture of the votes I picked, so that way some of the votes I picked. Hmm. No, what was it? It was ah. Okay. All right. Best score. Okay, three more. The next category is the number one thing I want to talk about. Best score. Let's see. Kevin Penkin, Tower of God. Um. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. I feel like Japan Sinks might win. Might win. Yeah, I think because people liked it. There's this one scene in the movie. Again, I didn't see it, but I saw videos like of the people just showing it. They made a meme of one. I don't know why. I don't think it was funny. It was. Hmm. I see Tower of God, Beastars, and God of High School. God of High School was good. So, and it had cool fight scenes. Uh. Oh wait. Oh, best score meaning the music. Music. Right. Right. I like the soundtrack in God of High School. So, all right. Now, next one. This one. This was the one thing I had a problem with last year. Best couple. Who deserves to be best couple? Let's see. Oh, these two. Definitely these two should be are a couple. These two are a couple. These two won last year, alright? And they didn't count as a couple. Well, and people start complaining, but they're spoilers if I'm saying anything. Spoilers, right? People said they're a couple in the manga, but this is literally called Anime Awards. So I don't see see the point of it. Legoshi and Haru. Um, the manga ended. The manga ended. So, spoilers again. Spoilers again. They end up being a couple. A couple in the end. So yeah. Don't know about this. And I don't. I see this as a ship, and this is a ship too. I know about Rent a Girlfriend. All right. Right. I didn't finish the show, but I know these. But I know right now that these two shouldn't count as a couple. The one that should be counted as a couple are these two, because they get married in the first episode. Tonakawa should win for best couple, because everyone loved this series. If this wins, this wins, or basically if the others win, if any of these people, sorry, if any of these if any of these nominees win, I'm gonna be upset because this right here should be the number one couple. All right, some people have to agree with me that these two should be best couple. Not these, especially these two shouldn't win for best couple. They're not a couple yet. For best couple to work, you have to like they have to show they either have to kiss, go on a date, married, or something. Thing thing. Ships do not count. The other nominees are just ships. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I went over that long. Firm. All right, best fantasy. Ray Zero, Dragon Quest, Decadence, Ascendance of a Bookworm. I just call it Bookworm because I can't pronounce this Doro and Tower of God. I'm a big Dragon Quest because I love the Dragon Quest games, story, and mostly like the entire story. This is the Dragon Quest was created by Akira Toriyama, the same person who did Dragon Ball, and this is a reboot, by the way. There was an old series that I didn't get into, but the reboot is really like it's all like bright and colorful, and the animation's good, very good. I'm hoping this wins. If it doesn't, then it's all right. But like I said, for best couples, Tonakawa deserves to win. All right, they're the only couple on that list. Okay, I'm done talking about that. Let's just vote for Dragon Quest. Confirm. And that's it. Don't forget you can vote every day until January 22nd and tune in February 19th at 5 p.m. to see who wins. Yeah. Um Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll do this more often from now on. But the problem is when I tried to do a reaction video, I tried to get the video of sound on there, but apparently there's a problem. There is no sound on it, so I'm gonna try my best to fix that. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Share this with your friends. Comment below what you think of the video. And if you want to get notified of any videos I put up on my channel, hit the notification button next to the subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video.